Hey everyone, based on extensive testing, the XGIMI Horizon S MAX is positioned as a high-end home projector that promises an IMAX caliber experience. Offering well-rounded home theater solutions at affordable costs, XGIMI has established a solid name as a brand thanks to its inventiveness and dependability. To begin with, the visual quality produced by the Horizon S MAX is remarkably vivid and saturated. Although some users may find the colors a bit oversaturated by default, they are deep and well saturated. Thankfully, you may adjust the visual settings to suit your own taste. With support for HDR10, HLG, and Dolby Vision, HDR performance is exceptional. Even when the projector is positioned slightly off-center or at an angle, the entire projected surface remains sharp. Compared to many rival projectors that frequently have issues with edge sharpness, this is a huge benefit. The Horizon S MAX's build quality and design showcase XGIMI's ongoing development. It has a high-end appearance because of the materials and color scheme that are similar to the Horizon Ultra. Although it can be positioned on different surfaces or fixed on the ceiling, stability is essential because a fall could result in permanent harm. With a quad-core processor, 2 gigs of RAM, and more internal storage, the Horizon S MAX offers seamless streaming and playback performance. Although it works best in poorly light areas, its 3100 ISO lumen brightness is adequate for the majority of residential settings. Some laser-only projectors have problems with color shifting and ghosting, but the Dual Light 2.0 technology, a hybrid of laser and LED, improves image sharpness. Additionally, XGIMI has included ISA 5.0 technology, which offers sophisticated autocorrection features like object avoidance, focusing, and automated keystone correction. The smooth operation of these features makes setup and adjustment simple. Although the absence of optical zoom is a drawback in comparison to the Horizon Ultra, the digital zoom feature allows users to adjust the projected size. Two 12-watt Harman Kardon speakers provide excellent, well-balanced sound for the sound system. Although adequate for casual viewing, those who want a more engaging audio experience might need to spend money on external speakers. The projector's Android TV software gives users access to a wide variety of streaming applications. To see Netflix video in full resolution, customers must utilize an external streaming device like an Amazon Fire TV stick or Chromecast, because Netflix is not officially certified. The user interface is clear, devoid of superfluous software, and seamlessly interacts with Google services for app access and content casting. The Horizon S MAX has many drawbacks in spite of its great advantages. Some users could be disappointed by the lack of optical zoom and the restricted connectivity choices, which include the absence of a digital audio output. Furthermore, although the provided remote control works, it is devoid of a backlight, which would have been a useful addition in dimly lit viewing areas. So the XGIMI Horizon S MAX is a superb home projector that offers remarkable HDR performance, superb image quality, and cutting-edge smart capabilities. It is a strong competitor in its class thanks to its dual light technology, auto correction features, and IMAX enhanced certification. It's not flawless though, due to a few small design decisions, optical zoom, and a lack of Netflix accreditation. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day, and God bless you.